And Kerala continues to be at the center of rising caseload in India as the state reports over 20,000 cases for the 6 days straight, with 56 deaths in the last 24 hours. Once the model state for battling COVID, Kerala is now reeling under relentlessly rising cases with a positivity rate of over 12%. The state's total caseload of active cases has gone over 1,67,300 with a total of 16,837 fatalities. Amidst the rising cases, Central Team for COVID-19 Assessment faced Congress's protests over vaccine shortage in Kozhikode's Kadalundi village. The Congress workers claimed that they tried to raise their concerns with the panel members but did not listen. They further alleged that about 350 doses brought to the health center were taken back. Police have booked the protesters for unlawful assembly and rioting and under the Epidemic Act. Let's also get you reasons why there's a surge and why this is a worrying situation, not just for Kerala, but for the entire country in terms of COVID. We've been past the second wave and the cases that are rising in Kerala are a matter of huge concern, needless to say. Let's also get you a sense of why is the surge in Kerala worrying, as I was saying earlier. Number one, high cases may lead to a third wave. That's the biggest worry at the moment. It indicates possibility and the presence of a new variant. Confirms the low community immunity rate. Number four, let's bring that up on your screens at the moment, shows that the state has been lackadaisical in the restrictions too. Number five, shows that it can be a super spreader, and the super spreader events are still going on at the moment, whether it is the entry into Sabrimala, whether it is celebrating the Eid. The administration has been extremely lax in removing these restrictions that earlier existed, establishes the flouting of COVID norms, then confirms the less impact of a triple lockdown. With that, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. Lots more coming up on the other side. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app.